Hey everyone, this is Gary Kay. We are here at the TEC 2021 show here in Denver, Colorado. The first show coming out of the pandemic in AV and in security. First show in the entire country. If you haven't heard of PSA, PSA is a security show. They joined forces with the US AV. So we have a security and an AV show in one. I'm talking to one of the big companies in security, Altronix. Altronix.com. I'm here with JR, the National Sales Manager. For those that don't know who Altronix is, tell them what you do.
Yeah, thanks so much. So Altronix is the global leader in power and data transmission equipment. So we manufacture the power that supports mission-critical systems such as access control, video surveillance, fire alarm, nurse call, intrusion systems, you name it.
Yeah, and what they have is some really cool products that allow you to sort of hear what they're showing here today is allow you to consolidate power into smaller spaces, drive PoE across the network. And then also, you've got some unique products. We're going to shoot videos on each one of the products here. But tell me, first off, back up a little bit. How were you all affected by the pandemic, or were you not? Did the business go up? Are you in the side of the market that saw an explosion? Were you flat or were you down?
Well, I'll tell you what, that's a great question. And so throughout the pandemic we were able to essentially maintain what we have going on. We were able to supply product into the marketplace, and really we saw a little bit of a benefit there. We manufacture all of our equipment in Brooklyn, New York. So we have a very strong supply chain. All of our equipment is NDAA and TAA compliant, so it's able to be used in installations for federal government, things of that nature.
You were essential, obviously.
That's right, yeah. So we were an essential company and able to continue working. Obviously, with our factory, there was social distancing and lead times as far as shipments pushed out a little bit, but overall we made it through well so far.
Yeah, and as far as we're obviously all seeing the other side of this now, and we see the industry picking back up considerably. And there's a big move to consolidate power. In fact, there's a new standard that allows you to do 90 watts across the network. Talk about that and what you guys are contributing there.
Yeah, that's great. So the IEEE ratified a new standard for PoE back in the end of 2018, and it was now to deliver up to 90 watts of power across a Cat5e or higher cable, and it's 802.3 BT. And so what that does is allow us in this industry and the other manufacturers, cameras, any IoT device, build a more robust, stronger, bigger product that requires more power and be able to deliver it over a structured cable. So what we've done is we've created a product called Tango, and Tango is the ability to harness that power, 90 watts, 100 meters to the board itself. And then we're able to supply 12 volts DC and 24 volts DC for the access controllers or ancillary devices that are used in these mission critical systems.
That's actually a good example of a product that would cross over from security to AV, because we have PTZ cameras that are PoE. We have more and more devices being installed PoE. But you also cross into AV because of you have some security products that are actually spec'd by AV integrators a lot of times.
Well, that's true. I mean, even when we think about it from the analog standpoint, the lighting, things of that nature. But as we do move further into the power sourcing equipment realm at this 802.3 BT standards and the 30 watt and the 60 watt standards, we're able to deliver the power and provide a lifetime warranty and product that's manufactured right here in Brooklyn, New York.
And this is something you should check out, because as the market is evolving, obviously security is going to be a bigger and bigger issue. In fact, the keynote earlier today was all about cybersecurity and the importance of protecting your data, but also the physical security side of things is going to continue to grow as the market is evolving quite a bit. Check them out at altronix.com, Altronix.com. Do a search really quick, because we're going to shoot 3 videos now, one on each of these products we just talked about. Or check them out at altronix.com. JR, thank you very much.
Thanks so much.